Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Today I will show you how you can send secure mail from your Gmail account on your Android device. So I'll just start open the Gmail app. Now tap on the Compose and click on this three-dot icon. Now choose confidential mode, and how you can see there we have a few options to edit. You can choose a expiry date, like this one. You can also require a passcode, like a SMS passcode. If you are ready, click save, and now just type your email and send it. How you can see, Respin won't have the options to forward, copy, printing and downloading this mail. So it's 100% secure. That's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.